Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nadia binti Muhammad Naim. My matric number is H20B1684. Now I will talk about visions of Nestle Malaysia. The vision is to be a global competing nutrition, healthcare and wellness company producing a greater value for shareholder by being a chosen responsible company, chosen employer, preferred partner and chosen of seller product. Now we move to Nestle Malaysia Vision. Nestle Malaysia Vision is good food, good life. Is to provide consumer with the best tasting, most nutrition choice in a wide range of food and beverage categories and eating occasion from morning to night. That's all from me. We move to next part. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Lim Jin Ming and my matric number is H20A1191. Now I will continue my section, which is the organizational chart. This is an executive committee of Nestle Malaysia organizational chart. There are many departments in Nestle Malaysia respectively. The first one is the financial department. It manages the organization, cash flow, ensure enough fund and prepare financial report. The second department is corporate affairs. It is to ensure that any phrase must involve consideration of the effect and stakeholder and the implication on Nestle. The third department is human resource. Human resource must be committed to granting the employee well-being, motivation, and development. The next department is technical and production. The function of this department is to set the batch of raw material and type of machinery and equipment. The fifth department is sales. The sales department is to understand the sales process from start to finish and evaluate all experience between Nestle and potential buyer. And the last department is the supply chain. The function of the supply chain is to balance cost reduction, supplier efficiency, and supply assurance.
My name is Nur Atira binti Husaini. My matric number is H20A1481. The issue that Nestle company face in inaccuracies of order received in inventory. No organization can implement the nature of imperfection requirements, especially in beverage industry and food or other ingredients required for growth, health, and good condition. Among the case examples, Nestle was asked to get 10,000 pieces meats with yogurt from traders, but there were retailers who only got 8,000 meats yogurt, or in other words, got inventory or damaged goods. This situation caused Nestle to be unable to meet the growing consumer demand for the product.
Past experience, Nestle Malaysia need to focus to ensure that orders received in the inventory are fulfilled is to build a dealer management system (DMS). DMS is especially designed to facilitate the management of purchase between customer and supplier and ensure continuity of relationship.
DMS is a software solution that provides tools to manage sales, service, part, inventory management, business management, integration, and core architecture. It is the best way to avoid data loss during unexpected accident and can also be used for a long time. The proposed solution is that Nestle Malaysia have to import inventory from other region and not all region have the same demographic such as race.
An entrepreneur management plan establishes how the entrepreneur will boundaries with their roles within the company. Balancing unique risks can help entrepreneurs better prepare for unexpected issues. As we know, management is an essential thing for a company. Good management can prevent various problems from happening. The issue in Nestle company that occur is the inaccuracy of order received in inventory. The solution that will could use to avoid inaccuracy of order received in inventory are with simplified processes wherever warehouse workers are involved. This is one of the easiest way to prevent inventory error of the human variety that we can use using inventory management software. This modern software solution utilizes barcode scanning or RFID technology to track items as they move through your warehouse and inventory. Scanning eliminates the need for manual data entry and error when mistakes are prevalent. Beyond that, inventory management software also help create more accurate inventory count by adding and removing inventory directly from the point of sale. This guarantees you're more likely to have an accurate up-to-the-minute count of the item in stock.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Cik Rahim. My metric number is H20A1209. Today, I would like to explain to you the solution about the issues has happened in the company Nestle. Here are some ways you can minimize those risks. The first thing is analyze your current stock management approach. Take the time to break down your current inventory management system. How many steps are there? Are there exceptions for the certain types of stock? Can this process be streamlined? The simple the process is, the less chance there is for human error. Streamline the process when possible. The second thing is reduce employee stress and fatigue tired. Stressed workers often make mistakes. Are you providing enough breaks for warehouse team? Are you keeping their stress level low? If the answer is no, figure out how to resolve this issue. Reduce multitasking. Do you have a team that has clearly defined roles and job titles in the warehouse? If not, this could be a part of the problem. Warehouse where employees freelance or multitask between a wide range of duties mean they are more likely to be distracted. Distracted employees make mistakes. Maintain proper staff levels. Are you running your warehouse with a skeleton crew? If so, you are probably stressing and fatiguing your employees and forcing them to multitask. The money you may be saving by paying fewer employees is often offset by the cost of the mistakes caused by running a skeleton crew in your warehouse. Keep staff at the appropriate level to reduce human error. In conclusion, implementing some of the best practice can reduce the number of errors your team makes. You may not reach perfection, but with the diligence and effort, you can get close. The effort is worth it. Inventory mistakes cost companies money yearly in the lost products, extra carrying costs, and disappointed customer. The worst part is that many of these errors are avoidable. I hope the solution I already explained can solve the problems Nestle company. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Salman Besaba. My metric number is H20A1742. In this part, I will talk about the conclusion. As we know, Nestle was founded in 1950 as a transactional food and beverage company. The business is in the food processing industry, such as ice cream, coffee, tea, curry breakfast, and other products. According to the Pestle analysis, change in government stability have an impact on the company's operation in various countries, causing the selling price to rise, which consumer can afford, and also reducing the company revenue. At the time of production, environmental factor must be considered. Buyers have strong bargaining power because they have a direct impact on the product demand. Suppliers have a strong bargaining power because they have a direct impact on the supply chain. The trade of substitute is also high because there are many competitors offering similar quality product. And lastly, existing competitor as a pose of significant threat because they are also producing with innovative technologies.